So how can you make a video follow a person? So let's get started. Let me show you how it would work on the iPhone. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss videos like this one. So of course, if you already have a video captured of someone, and it might be a person or anything else, you can try to set it up in the post-production using a video editor. Usually more options are available in terms of the app, but I would recommend you to check out the CapCut, which is free to download and use for the most part, even though some premium features are paid. But anyways, you can get inside, just import the video as such, and what you can do is to keyframe the zoom, which will specifically follow a person. So it might be a person or an object or whatever, right? But you can just tap on the clip below, then tap the keyframe button to mark the beginning of the transition, right? And then move a little forward and kind of like zoom it in, right? So you zoom it in like that, and you can see that we now specifically have it focused on that thing. And if it moves, we can grab it more and make it centered again. And that's how you can manually go about it to make sure that you essentially end up with the result that you want. Then the thing that the person or the subject is always in the middle of the screen, in the middle of the video, so it gets tracked and followed like that. So this is, of course, using a third-party video editor, but some people might also refer to the feature which is called Center Stage, which is made by Apple, and it's part of iPads and like iPhones. When you are on a video call through FaceTime, for example, you can make sure that the video focuses on that person, but that is specifically on a video call, and that as well can be enabled in the control center while you are on the call. So you would just swipe down and just disable that feature. So, it would work well too. But as I say, not every single Apple device supports the center stage, but plenty of the devices do support it. So yeah, you can also be referring to that. So let me know what you think below in the comments. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this. And I hope to see you later in the next one as well.